What's up, guys? It's CreativeCode here, checking in. It's my first video, my first official video actually. My last video was just an intro video, you know, it wasn't really like a big thing, but this is my first video of the series How to Begin Code, episode 1. So in this episode, it's gonna be a little short episode. I'm gonna tell you guys what code editor that you should be starting off with. So first, we have brackets. Brackets is the first one I'm gonna be showing to you guys. So pretty much, I know you guys, if you're watching this, you probably don't know much code or don't have much experience, but this is what I started off with. So pretty much, it has all the tools and like necessary things you need to start. So yeah, it's pretty simple. If you want to start a new file, type whatever you have to do, code. I'm not really gonna do any coding this episode, you know. I'm gonna do that in the next episode. But this is just the first introduction video. Yeah. So you can actually get extensions and stuff like that. Like, I'll show you guys right now what extensions I have. So I have the Beautify, like pretty much organizes your code. It formats it like this, like what it says. It just makes it easier to read. You can change the themes, and you can have like a template for HTML, like the basic file, which we'll be getting into in the next episode. But yeah, pretty straightforward, if I'm being honest. So yeah, that's it for brackets. And the one I'm currently using right now is Visual Studio Code, and I like this a lot. It's very convenient. I think it's a little better than brackets in my opinion. So that's all preference though. It's up to you guys. So yeah, you can open the folder. You know, you can like do whatever you want. Let's say I go to one of my coding videos, or one of my coding things. Yeah, so this is all my previous code, and yeah, you could just edit it, and like all these files are here for you. It even gives you an outline, like it breaks it down, like this is the head, this is the body, etc. And yeah, there's also extensions. You can change the theme of this, like I have the dark theme on right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and one more thing before I go, guys. The download link for brackets and Visual Studio Code will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.